How to make a Facebook page for your YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you the steps on how you can make Facebook account or Facebook page for your YouTube account. Well, the process is simple and easy. Simply go ahead and proceed to open up Facebook. From here, you can tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and you can see pages option. Tap on pages. Once you tap on pages, you can see the create option. You're going to simply click on create page and now you can proceed to create a page, whether it is for your personal or professional use. Tap on next and proceed to create a new page. Tap on next and now you want to enter in your page name. Here you can name the page same as your YouTube channel, and once you have done so, you can proceed and tap on next and go through the prompts to add in. Once you have added and created the page, what you can do is you can set or add the link to your YouTube account to your Facebook account. While you can't directly link those two, you can obviously create a page and add the link and other information. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.